Sorry. It's my first day driving. Driving at night is really therapeutic. Is it therapeutic? Told you to take that flight. Sorry. Just crashing everywhere. I'm fine. I'm just the corner of the road just smashed into a tree. Is there not a brake? Where's my car? It's just in the bushes. Oh, you can reverse. My dad is never gonna let me drive his car again. Oh. And just like that, I was stranded in the middle of nowhere with no phone service.